Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing basic but delicious and everybody's favorite brownies. With this recipe you will get crinkly top and fudgy center, and you can add whatever you want in this recipe. I will share in the procedure. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First we'll prepare a pan. For that I lined up parchment paper in a 9 by 13 inch pan, and my parchment paper is little overhanging so it will be easier for me to take out the brownies. Here I took chocolate chip and I'm melting the chocolate chip, and I will put this on the side. Taking a large mixing bowl, adding some eggs in there with some white granulated sugar, and with the help of whisk I just start mixing until everything is combined. No electric tools and beater needed for this recipe. Now I'm adding oil in there. You can substitute with butter, but I would prefer that melt the butter with the chocolate chip. And now at this point add vanilla essence and then melted butter and chocolate chip in your batter, and again mix just until they are fully combined. Now I am adding all-purpose flour and cocoa powder. I am not adding any baking powder in this recipe. If you want a cake-like brownie, you can definitely add baking powder and fold everything well. Now at this time you can add whatever add-ins you want. Today I'm adding just chocolate chip, but you can add chopped walnuts, pecans, even Nutella as well. Mix everything well and then transfer on to prepared pan and bake in preheated oven on 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes, or when you just insert the toothpick, very few crumbs stick to it, and that's how you will end up having this crinkly top and fudgy center delicious brownies ready to eat. You can store them into an airtight container and keep them for a week or two if they last. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.